In 3 minutes, tour mind-blowing deep space objects visible through a backyard telescope and learn how to find them. Even modest optics reveal nebulae, galaxies, clusters, and colorful planetary nebulae under dark, transparent skies. We'll focus on objects you can realistically observe from suburban locations with common scopes. Expect faint glows at low power and revealing detail when seeing and aperture cooperate. We'll cover nebulae first, then galaxies, star clusters, and finally compact planetary nebulae. Keep expectations realistic but bold. Patience and simple techniques unlock surprising beauty. Start with the Orion Nebula, a bright emission cloud that even small scopes reveal as structure. At low magnification, it appears as a soft mist. Increasing magnification reveals filaments and dark lanes. The Crab Nebula is a supernova remnant with complex filaments and a pulsar at its heart. Eagle Nebula pillars are faint in visual but spectacular in long-exposure photography. Try wide fields. Reflection nebulae such as those around the Pleiades appear blue as dust scatters starlight. Use light pollution filters and narrow band techniques to boost contrast on faint nebular structures. Andromeda is the largest galaxy you can see, showing a bright core and faint spiral structure. From dark skies, it spans a large field. From suburbs, the core is the primary target. The Whirlpool Galaxy reveals spiral arms and a companion when conditions and aperture allow fine detail. M81 and M82 present a contrast, a graceful spiral beside a disturbed starburst galaxy. Edge-on galaxies are subtle slivers of light but reveal dust lanes and galactic thickness. Wide, low-power views help place galaxies in context and reveal neighbor interactions. The Pleiades cluster is bright, easy to find, and surrounded by ethereal reflection nebulosity. Open clusters like the Hyades span a wide area and resolve beautifully under steady seeing. Globular clusters such as M13 pack hundreds of thousands of old stars into a dense core. At high magnification, they resolve into thousands of individual stars, a glittering test of optics. Color differences across a cluster reveal temperature ranges and stellar evolution stages. Clusters are excellent targets for testing focus, collimation, and understanding aperture limits. Planetary nebulae like the Ring Nebula appear as small, colorful disks through most amateur scopes. The Helix Nebula is larger and faint, rewarding wide-field views and patient observing. Many planetary nebulae show concentric shells and symmetric structures tracing stellar winds. The Lagoon and Trifid Nebulae combine stars, dark lanes, and glowing gas in one frame. Dark nebulae appear as starless silhouettes, a dramatic reminder of dense interstellar clouds. Set expectations. Success requires clear skies, adequate aperture, patient observing, and repeated visits.